Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. This one being the Arbor green color. So obviously the front has the OnePlus Buds, the top there's nothing, on the right side it says OnePlus and then Dyna Audio, the bottom there's nothing, and then on the left side it's Dyna Audio again. Then on the back it just says OnePlus Buds Pro 2 and tells you all the stuff you need to know, including the sizes of the batteries, which is pretty cool. So we're going to take off this little plastic right here, just kind of cut through it. I don't know why they do the plastic when they'll pull tabs, but it would be cool if they had one. And now we can open up the box. The first thing you see is Buds for Life, which is obviously a play on the name, and there seems to be a decent amount of stuff in here. There's actually a little note in here, which is pretty cool. And then I guess an instruction manual on how to use the buds. Pretty nice. There is a dedicated app unless you're using a OnePlus device. I'm pretty sure it's just built in. But if you don't use either of those, then you can just learn about it right here. And there's other documents about safety and technical stuff that they have to put in there. But either way, we'll put that back and we'll put the buds over to the side just for a second. And there's this little piece that says touch sensor. Okay, I guess people didn't know that last time. I don't know. Here's the little shell that the buds stick in. And when we remove that, there's a peelable place for the earbud tips. So far, I like the design of everything here. Then this little box right here has one very small USB-C to USB-A cable, which is weird nowadays that they do that because they don't give you a brick. I don't know why companies do that. These are earbuds though, it's pretty simple. And if you have a OnePlus 9 or newer, you can actually charge the buds with the phone. So we'll put everything back on and we'll peel off this little cover off the buds. And the first impressions, these feel awesome. Always love the feel of the originals that I have. But yeah, my first impressions is one, they look awesome, and two, they feel awesome. I don't like how it says Dyna Audio on everywhere. It's kind of annoying. But when we open this near a OnePlus device, it actually just pops up and says OnePlus Buds Pro 2 and allows you to connect. It's very easy. You can use the Hey Melody app if you're not using a OnePlus device. This includes on iPhones as well. Or you could just pair it through Bluetooth and not have the extra stuff that it comes with, including software updates. But yeah, the pairing process is pretty easy on both. And I can actually go into the settings and toggle high quality audio, which is very interesting. Now let's test out the buds and take off the face mask that the buds have. Okay, and here's how the buds look in ear. Not too bad. And music-wise, it does sound good. I can tell a difference between these and the original Pros. I don't know how to explain it other than that the audio just sounds slightly better and the noise canceling is definitely better than the original ones. They do the auto pause when you take them out, which is nice. It's not as quick as AirPods, I do notice that, but it still works fine. Then on the back, they did what AirPods barely just now did, is have USB-C and just an overall a nice design. I like the whole matte finish. I don't like glossy finishes because they scratch up really easily. Sure, the matte finish does scratch up easy as well, but it's not going to look as bad. And yeah, that's about it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a review on these. Ultimately, these are worth buying. I do enjoy using them. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.